Yeah, what's up guys? Thank you for joining me on another video. My name is Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Today we're going to be unboxing this OEM Tools cooling system funnel. All right guys, let's just go ahead and get right to it. Open it up. All right. Here it is. We have the No Spill Coolant Filling Funnel Kit by OEM Tools. Check it out, guys. It's all in here. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what's inside. All right. All right, check this out. You got the actual funnel here with this yellow piece that I guess you use this one to seal it once you're done. And by the way, this is for bleeding the coolant system. And you get all the attachments here as well. Depending on what type of car you have, you get the one that fits your car. And since I'm going to be using the kit here for the Honda Civic, we're going to be using this one. And just basically look at it and see which one fits your car. And then you have the different adapters here. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, so there it is. The No Spill Coolant Filling Funnel Kit by OEM Tools. So I'm going to do a flush on the cooling system on the Honda Civic. And what was I going to say? I'm going to do a flush on the Honda Civic with the cooling system. Oh, and the reason I got it is because for the trapped air. As you guys can see here, it says designed for easy refilling of automotive cooling. And spills and trapped air, as you guys can see there, trapped air. So that's the reason why I got it, to get the air out of the cooling system. And of course there's ways to do it without this, but this makes it a lot easier. And that's pretty much it. Just unboxing it today. Wanted to show you guys what it looks like once you take it out the box. And I appreciate you guys watching, man. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, share, subscribe.